In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install the OneBlock Skyblock map for Minecraft Java Edition version 26.2, which is the latest version available. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel. First, we need to download the map. Open your browser and go to curseforge.com. Once you're there, click on Minecraft. If you don't see it right away, simply use the search bar at the top, but it's usually the first option on the homepage. Next, use the search bar to search for one block exactly as I'm typing it here. The correct map is usually the first result because it has the highest number of downloads. Click on it to open its page. Once you are on the one block page, click on the Files tab. Here you'll find every available version of the map. Since we're installing the latest release, locate version 26.2, click the three dots next to it, and then select Download File. The download may take a few seconds to begin, usually between 5 and 10 seconds, so just wait for it to start. Once it's finished downloading, open your downloads folder. You'll find the map as a compressed zip file. If you're using Windows 11, simply right-click the zip file and select Extract All. If you're using Windows 10, you may need a program like 7-Zip or WinRAR to extract it. Since I'm using Windows 11, I'll click Extract All and then Extract. The extraction process may take around a minute depending on your computer. Once it's finished, you'll have a new folder, open it, and inside you'll find another folder with the same name. Rename this inner folder to OneBlock 26.2 and click OK. Make sure you're renaming the folder that actually contains all the world files, not the outer folder. Now open the Minecraft launcher. Click on Installations, and for your Minecraft 1.21.6 installation, click Open Installations folder. This will open your Minecraft directory. Inside that folder, locate the saves folder. This is where all of your Minecraft worlds are stored. Drag the OneBlock 26.2 folder that you just renamed into the saves folder. To make sure everything is correct, open the folder you copied and verify that it contains the world files directly inside. Once that's done, go back to the Minecraft launcher, click play, and launch Minecraft 1.216 after the game loads. Click single player, and you'll see the OneBlock world in your list. Open it, and you're ready to play. As you can see, the OneBlock Skyblock map is now installed and working perfectly. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Minecraft tutorials.